Lincoln MKZ. When I do the front brakes, we're gonna use 19mm socket to remove the lug nuts. We have a 2 bolts star that holds the rotor. Push it to the side, like so. So there's 2 bolts right here. I'm gonna use 14mm socket with these bolts on here. Before remove the bolts that hold the caliper, it would be a good idea to remove these 2 first. For these bolts, it's going to be T40, T as thumb 40. What I usually do is push it all the way in, crack it loose, like so. See that? Okay, T40. Now we'll remove the bolts that hold the caliper. Caliper away. This one has the clips that push the pads outwards so it doesn't stick to the rotor. We're gonna hit this too, right here, on here, 15mm socket. You don't have to, but I'm gonna use the 15mm swivel socket. Remove the bracket now. Check the sliders. They look good. Remove the rotor. We're gonna have to tame this guy. Okay, so we'll get it out of the way. Remove the rotor. And we're going to push back the piston. Right here. Okay, now we put the new rudder. You see these holes right here? Make sure they align with this, okay? Like this. Then you put the bolts that go in there. So I brush this. I brush it. Now I'll put some lube, brake lube. I'm reusing the hardware because it's not that bad. If it's broken, or you know, you can replace it. The new brake pads come with the hardware. I would put the bracket. Bottom. Make sure it's tight. Okay. That's good enough. We'll put the new brake pads. Okay. Light cell. And it's the same in the back. I'm gonna put the new clips. Down the caliper, so I'm gonna you have to like put them on and press the brake pads so it doesn't kick it outward. Hold it like that. Caliper back. Okay. That. On here. The other one here. Snug it. Not that hard though, you don't need to tighten it that hard. You don't want to break that bolt. Okay, that's good enough. This is it. So what we're gonna do now is put the tires back. We're gonna check the brake fluid reservoir. If it needs some, we're gonna top it off with some brake fluid, .3, .4, before you go to the reservoir and pump on the brake pedal until it gets hard, because it's gonna be a little bit loose, soft, because I pushed the pistons back, right? So we're gonna step on the brake pedal until it gets hard. We go to the brake fluid reservoir, check the level. If it needs a little bit, top it off to the max. Now road test it. This is a 2011 Lincoln MKZ. All-wheel drive, by the way. We get in the car. We're gonna step on the brake pedal like I told you. It's soft, but it's gonna get hard the more you step on the brake pedal. Now it's hard. You don't have to start the car. Now we open the hood, check the brake fluid reservoir. Here's to open the hood. The latch is right here. Here's the stand for the hood. Okay. Now, let's look at this right here. So we have to fill it up. Top it off. It says only .3 brake fluid. .3. That's what I'm gonna do. That's good right there. Top it off with the cat back. Road tested. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Now I'm road testing the vehicle. This is a 2011 Lincoln MKZ all-wheel drive, by the way. What I'm looking for right now is weird noises, weird sounds from the brakes, front brakes, because that's what I did. And if you don't hear anything, then you're good to go. Before I go, I just want to say thank you to all my new subscribers, all subscribers, newcomer subscribers. Thank you for watching. Thank you for the love, for the support, for the help. Where would I be without you? Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. You that you're watching, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Hit hard, destroy the subscribe button. Do the same with the like button. Share this video. Maybe your friend has the Lincoln MKZ or any Lincoln. The basics is still the same, so you can use this as a guide. And the feedback, put in the comment box for me. Anything you have in mind about this vehicle, anything related to this vehicle, put in the comment box for me. Also, I want to mention, I want to encourage the females to become a mechanic or become technicians. Because the reason why I'm saying this is because I've seen a few females, but not that many as guys. Know what I'm saying? So yeah, don't be afraid. It's like any other job, except that you're gonna like it better. You're gonna be learning every day. It's interesting. Alright. Before I go, I want to give shout outs to my subscribers. Okay, so let me road test this for a few minutes and I'll come back with the shout outs. Hey, before I get into the shout outs to the people watching and my subscribers, new subscribers, old subscribers, because I gotta give it to them for the help and support. I also have how to do the oil change in this vehicle, the Lincoln MKZ. Go to my videos and you're gonna see the search box on top of the screen. Type the vehicle you're looking for, and then the list is gonna pop up with all the vehicles related to the name you're looking. Alright, so alright, let's get to the shout outs. Okay, I wanna give shout outs to Jorge Antonio, Saavedra, Jose Ramon, Daniel Omar Castro, Tronda, Shilon. Yeah, if I pronounce your name wrong, please forgive me. I'm saying, just let me know, okay? Just put in the comment box the right way to pronounce it. Banana Lord, Bullock, 999, Dodgy Dude, Meizu Lame, Malta Mechanic, Daniel Joy, MRM 19063, Shane West Coast, Brian Alejandro, John Nain, Chris Bernal, Pedro Sanchez, Jorge Antonio, yeah, I told you that one, Jorge Antonio Pilquiman Saavedra, Joel Urdiera, John Macintosh, DeMar Thompson, Tien Lam, Dana McIntyre, FGS Panda Bear, a Flying Toaster, William Curran, Daniel Joy, Jar RDGZ, Gypsy Dog 1, John Tang, Phil Bernal, Giovanni Campuzano, Harday, G. Venro. I'm sorry for this one though. This one is in Russian. I don't speak Russian. But sometimes if a Russian fan or follower leave a comment, I'm gonna use Google and translate what that person says, and then I'm gonna reply. Let's keep going. Alex Rogers, Mitch Dees, Dan Badea, Tommy Moe, Ray Morden, Robert Liebengood, Hawaii Marine Ford, Brett Adams, Jesus Leon, Jar RDGZ, David Camarena Garcia, Jose Rivera, Jeff Uteg, Ramon Perez, Matt Smith, Junior Emeranciana, J. Morgis, Junior Smithson, Mitch Dees, BJ Constructions, William Hood, David Camarena Garcia, Jose Rivera, Jeff, yep, Cecil Lass, KK, Kyle H, Daisy Jimenez, Audrey Harris, Italo Avila, Chuy Carr, Arsene, Sean Williams, Junior Cruz, Stippy Wolf 82, and that's pretty much it. Shout outs to him. Thank you for the love. It took me a minute to give shout outs to most of my subscribers, but thank you for the love. Thank you for the support. I appreciate it. And that's it for now. I hope you liked the video. I hope you enjoyed, and I'm just gonna leave it right here. Alright, and I catch you in the next one. This was the video how to replace the brakes in this 2011 Lincoln MKZ all-wheel drive. Okay, you also can use this video as a guide with other Lincolns and Fords, because they are similar and they use the same basics. Alright, with no further ado, I'm not gonna hold you up no more. Have a good day, take care, be safe, and I'll see you in the next one. Holla at your boy, Astuo Burum.